Let me ask you a very simple question. If you invest 100,000 naira today, and this 100,000 can grow to 200,000 or 300,000 without you adding extra money, what is this called? The answer is simply compound interest. One of the most powerful concepts in finance and investment is this compound interest. Now, in this short video, I'm going to be explaining to you what compound interest actually means and how it works and how investors actually use it, to get more value in their business or their investments. Now, what is compound interest? Now, when you talk of compound interest, it simply means earning interest on both your original money, which is your capital, and also earning interest on the interest that has already been added. So, in other words, what we are saying is that you invest money, that investment earns interest, and then you earn interest on the interest that you have actually earned. And this is why compound interest is often called interest on interest. So, over time, this process makes money to actually grow faster than you can actually expect. So let's look at a simple example. Assuming that you invest 100,000 at 10% interest per year. In year one, 10% of 100,000 will give you 10,000 naira interest. That amount becomes your interest. So it means you have 100,000 naira plus 10,000 naira, which makes your money 110,000 naira. Now in year two, your interest in year two will now be calculated on 110,000 naira and not the 100,000 naira, meaning that 10% on 110,000 gives you 11,000, and that becomes 110,000 plus 11,000, and money becomes 121,000 naira. So what is happening over time is that the interest is added back to your capital, and then the new interest is calculated on the total amount, which includes your principal amount plus your interest value. And this is why compound interest actually makes your money to grow even faster than you expect. Notice something is very important. Now, your money is growing faster every year, and that is the power of compounding interest. Now, compound interest is powerful for two main reasons. The first reason is that there is time. Now, the longer money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. And this is why many financial experts would encourage you to start investing very, very early. Number two is that there's a reinvestment. Now, when interest is reinvested, instead of you withdrawing your money, it continues to generate additional returns, meaning that you're earning additional interest on your interest. And this creates what you call a snowball effect, where money grows larger over time because you have left it and then you allow it to compound. So if you found this explanation helpful, kindly like, share, and also subscribe to our channel and also follow for more